Welcome back to Next Zen Tool Zone. Today, we're checking out the 18 new tools Makita on Amazon, featuring powerful cordless innovations designed to improve productivity, precision, and efficiency in every workshop. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, these Makita tools are built to tackle demanding jobs with confidence. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Makita Cordless Ratchet Tool. The Makita Cordless Ratchet Tool is designed to make fastening jobs quicker, easier, and far more efficient. I really like its compact profile because it fits comfortably into tight engine compartments, machinery, and confined workspaces where traditional ratchets can be difficult to use. The powerful motor delivers consistent torque while reducing manual effort, helping complete repetitive fastening tasks with less fatigue. Its ergonomic grip provides excellent comfort during extended projects, while the variable speed trigger offers greater control for delicate or demanding applications. Powered by Makita's reliable battery platform, it delivers dependable runtime throughout busy workdays. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, equipment maintenance, or workshop projects, this cordless ratchet improves productivity, enhances precision, saves valuable time, and delivers dependable professional performance every day. Makita Dual Action Polisher. Achieving a flawless finish becomes much easier with the Makita Dual Action Polisher. I appreciate how its dual action motion reduces swell marks while producing smooth, professional quality polishing results on vehicles, boats, furniture, and painted surfaces. Variable speed settings allow precise control for polishing, waxing, or finishing different materials with confidence. The ergonomic design minimizes vibration and improves comfort during extended detailing sessions. Its brushless motor delivers reliable performance while increasing efficiency and reducing maintenance requirements. Lightweight yet powerful, this polisher is ideal for both professionals and enthusiasts seeking outstanding surface finishes. Whether restoring faded paint or applying protective wax, it improves efficiency, enhances shine, protects surfaces, and consistently delivers exceptional detailing results.
Makita Cordless Floor Blower. Cleaning workshops, garages, patios, and job sites becomes faster with the Makita Cordless Floor Blower. I really like its lightweight cordless design because it offers unrestricted movement without the inconvenience of extension cords. The powerful airflow efficiently clears sawdust, leaves, dirt, and construction debris from floors and work surfaces in just minutes. Variable speed controls allow better airflow management for delicate or heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable operation, reducing fatigue during longer cleanup sessions. Powered by Makita's dependable battery system, it delivers impressive runtime and consistent performance. Whether maintaining a clean workshop or preparing a job site, this cordless blower saves time, improves efficiency, enhances cleanliness, and keeps workspaces looking professional every day. Makita Brushless Impact Wrench. The Makita Brushless Impact Wrench delivers exceptional fastening power for demanding automotive, construction, and maintenance applications. I appreciate its brushless motor because it increases efficiency, extends battery life, and requires less maintenance than conventional motors. High torque output easily handles stubborn bolts and heavy-duty fasteners while maintaining impressive control through variable speed settings. Its compact body improves maneuverability in confined spaces without sacrificing performance. The ergonomic grip enhances comfort during prolonged use, reducing operator fatigue on large projects. Built with Makita's trusted durability, this impact wrench performs reliably under challenging conditions. Whether loosening rusted hardware or tightening structural fasteners, it boosts productivity, improves precision, saves valuable time, and delivers dependable professional-grade performance consistently.
Makita Cordless Multi-Tool. The Makita Cordless Multi-Tool is one of the most versatile additions you can make to your toolbox. I love how it performs cutting, sanding, scraping, grinding, and trimming tasks using interchangeable accessories, eliminating the need for multiple specialized tools. Its oscillating action provides outstanding control, making detailed work easier while reducing accidental damage to surrounding materials. The brushless motor delivers dependable power with longer runtime and greater efficiency. A comfortable ergonomic grip minimizes fatigue during extended projects, while the quick accessory chain system keeps productivity high. Whether renovating, repairing, remodeling, or crafting custom projects, this cordless multi-tool improves flexibility, increases efficiency, saves workspace, and consistently delivers precise professional quality results. Makita Cordless Tire Inflator. Keeping tires properly inflated is simple with the Makita Cordless Tire Inflator. I really like how this compact tool delivers fast, accurate inflation without requiring access to an air compressor. The easy-to-read digital pressure display lets you set the desired PSI, and the inflator automatically stops once the target pressure is reached. Its lightweight cordless design makes it perfect for vehicles, bicycles, sports equipment, and other inflatable items. Built-in LED lighting improves visibility during nighttime emergencies or low light conditions. Powered by Makita's reliable battery system, it offers dependable performance wherever you need it. Whether preparing for a trip or handling unexpected situations, this inflator saves time, improves convenience, enhances safety, and delivers reliable inflation performance every time.
Makita Oil Impulse Driver. The Makita Oil Impulse Driver offers an impressive combination of power and quiet operation for fastening applications. I appreciate how its oil pulse mechanism significantly reduces operating noise compared to traditional impact drivers, while still delivering excellent fastening performance. Variable speed control provides better precision for delicate materials and demanding construction projects alike. The compact body allows easy access to confined workspaces, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation during extended use. Efficient battery performance supports longer working sessions with fewer interruptions. Whether assembling cabinets, installing fixtures, or completing finished carpentry, this innovative driver improves comfort, minimizes noise, increases productivity, delivers consistent fastening results, and provides outstanding control for professional quality work every single day. Makita Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Demolition and rough cutting become much easier with the Makita Cordless Reciprocating Saw. I really like its powerful brushless motor because it delivers fast cutting performance through wood, metal, plastic, and construction materials with remarkable efficiency. Tool-free blade changes save valuable time, allowing quick transitions between different applications. The ergonomic grip provides excellent comfort and control, while reduced vibration improves handling during demanding cutting tasks. Its cordless design offers complete mobility around job sites without worrying about extension cords. Powered by Makita's dependable battery platform, it delivers impressive runtime for extended projects. Whether remodeling, demolition, pruning, or repair work, this reciprocating saw increases productivity, improves cutting performance, and delivers reliable professional-grade results.
Makita 4-Speed Impact Wrench. The Makita 4-Speed Impact Wrench gives users exceptional flexibility for a wide range of fastening jobs. I like how the 4 selectable speed settings allow precise control when working with different bolt sizes and materials. High torque output easily tackles stubborn fasteners, while lower speeds help prevent over-tightening on delicate applications. The brushless motor increases efficiency, extends battery life, and provides dependable long-term performance. Its compact design improves maneuverability in tight working spaces, making automotive and construction projects much easier. Comfortable ergonomics reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Whether maintaining equipment, assembling structures, or repairing vehicles, this versatile impact wrench improves productivity, enhances precision, saves valuable time, and delivers outstanding fastening performance consistently. Makita DIYtoolifz Impact Wrench. The Makita DIYtoolifz Impact Wrench combines impressive power with user-friendly operation, making it suitable for both experienced professionals and enthusiastic DIY users. I appreciate its high-performance motor, which delivers strong fastening and loosening capability for automotive repairs, workshop maintenance, and construction projects. Variable speed control provides excellent precision while helping protect delicate fasteners from unnecessary damage. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use during long working sessions, while a compact body improves access inside confined spaces. Built for durability, this impact wrench stands up to demanding everyday tasks with confidence. Whether changing tires, assembling heavy equipment, or tackling home improvement projects, it boosts efficiency, increases reliability, saves valuable effort, and consistently delivers dependable professional results.
Makita Rear Handle Circular Saw. The Makita Rear Handle Circular Saw is built for powerful, accurate cutting on demanding construction projects. I really like its rear handle design because it provides excellent balance and greater control during long rip cuts and framing applications. The high-performance brushless motor delivers impressive cutting speed while maximizing battery efficiency for extended runtime. Its large cutting capacity easily handles thick lumber, plywood, and engineered materials with smooth, consistent results. Built-in safety features and ergonomic grip improve user confidence while reducing fatigue throughout the workday. Whether framing walls, building decks, or handling remodeling projects, this circular saw improves productivity, increases cutting precision, delivers dependable performance, saves valuable time, and produces clean, professional quality results on every job. Makita Cordless Shear.
Maintaining neat lawn edges and garden borders becomes simple with the Makita Cordless Grass Shear. I appreciate its lightweight design because it allows comfortable trimming without the noise and hassle of larger lawn equipment. The sharp precision blades deliver clean cuts around flower beds, sidewalks, fences, and hard-to-reach areas where traditional mowers cannot reach. Its cordless operation offers complete freedom of movement, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended gardening sessions. Powered by Makita's dependable battery platform, it provides consistent cutting performance and excellent runtime. Whether you're tidying decorative landscapes or maintaining small lawns, this grass shear improves efficiency, enhances precision, keeps outdoor spaces looking beautiful, and makes routine garden maintenance faster and far more enjoyable.
Makita Brushless Recipro Saw. The Makita Brushless Recipro Saw delivers exceptional cutting performance for demolition, remodeling, and construction projects. I like how its brushless motor provides increased efficiency, longer battery life, and consistent power through demanding materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Tool-free blade changes make switching applications fast and convenient, helping keep productivity high throughout the day. Its ergonomic handle offers excellent comfort while minimizing vibration for greater cutting control. Its cordless design eliminates extension cords, allowing unrestricted movement around busy job sites. Whether removing old framing, cutting pipes, trimming branches, or completing renovation work, this reliable reciprocating saw increases productivity, improves cutting accuracy, reduces fatigue, and consistently delivers powerful professional-grade performance every single day. Makita Cordless Hammer Drill. The Makita Cordless Hammer Drill is designed to handle drilling and fastening tasks with outstanding versatility. I appreciate how it combines rotary drilling, hammer drilling, and screw driving functions into one dependable tool. The powerful brushless motor easily tackles wood, metal, masonry, and concrete while maximizing battery efficiency for longer runtime. Adjustable speed settings and multiple clutch positions provide greater control for delicate installations or heavy-duty construction work. Its ergonomic handle improves comfort during extended projects, while the compact body allows easier access in confined spaces. Whether installing anchors, assembling structures, or completing renovation projects, this hammer drill boosts productivity, increases precision, delivers dependable performance, saves valuable effort, and consistently handles demanding applications with confidence.
Makita Compact Power Wrench. The Makita Compact Power Wrench delivers impressive torque in a lightweight package that's easy to handle throughout demanding workdays. I really like its compact design because it reaches confined areas where larger impact tools cannot fit comfortably. The efficient brushless motor provides consistent fastening power while extending battery life and reducing maintenance requirements. Variable speed control improves precision for different applications, from equipment servicing to automotive repairs. Its ergonomic grip minimizes hand fatigue during extended use, allowing greater comfort and control. Whether tightening structural bolts, maintaining machinery, or completing installation projects, this compact power wrench improves efficiency, increases reliability, saves valuable time, enhances fastening accuracy, and consistently delivers professional quality performance on every task. Makita Quick Shift Driver. The Makita Quick Shift Driver is engineered to deliver fast, controlled fastening with impressive efficiency. I really like its quick shift mode, which automatically adjusts speed and torque during operation to reduce screw stripping and improve fastening accuracy. The compact, lightweight design makes it comfortable to use in tight spaces and overhead applications, while the brushless motor provides longer runtime, greater efficiency, and reduced maintenance. Variable speed settings offer excellent control for woodworking, cabinetry, framing, and general construction tasks. Built to handle demanding jobs, this driver combines power with precision in every application. Whether you're installing hardware or assembling structures, it boosts productivity, enhances control, improves fastening consistency, saves valuable time, and delivers dependable professional performance every day.
Makita Compact One-Hand Saw. The Makita Compact One-Hand Saw is an excellent cutting tool for quick jobs that require precision and portability. I appreciate its lightweight design because it allows comfortable one-handed operation while maintaining excellent cutting control. The powerful brushless motor delivers smooth performance through wood, PVC, branches, and other common materials with impressive efficiency. Tool-free blade changes make switching between tasks quick and convenient, while the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during longer projects. Its compact size allows easy storage inside toolboxes or work vehicles without taking up much space. Whether trimming branches, handling repair work, or making precise cuts around the workshop, this compact saw improves flexibility, increases productivity, enhances cutting accuracy, and consistently delivers reliable professional quality performance. Makita Precision Jig Saw. Finishing our list is the Makita Precision Jig Saw, a versatile cutting tool built for smooth curves, detailed shapes, and accurate straight cuts. I love how its powerful brushless motor delivers consistent performance while minimizing vibration for greater control and cleaner finishes. Variable speed settings allow precise adjustments for different materials, including wood, plastic, laminate, and metal. The ergonomic handle provides exceptional comfort during extended cutting sessions, while the tool-free blade chain system keeps workflow efficient. Its durable construction ensures dependable performance on demanding projects. Whether creating custom furniture, decorative pieces, or remodeling installations, this precision jigsaw increases accuracy, improves versatility, saves valuable time, and helps achieve outstanding professional quality results with every cut.
That wraps up our roundup of the 18 new tools Makita on Amazon. I hope these innovative Makita tools gave you plenty of ideas for upgrading your workshop with reliable, high-performance equipment. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching Next in Tool Zone. We'll see you in the next exciting tool roundup.